Benar. The solution to the problem of capital is closely related to the second point of the problem. Maybe it can be overcome by conducting a joint venture or merge with a company with the same line of business. Or with human resources in question, usually the cooperative management is where community leaders so that it can be said to have concurrent positions. It can also have an impact on the continuity of the cooperative because conditions like this cause the cooperative to not focus on the management of the cooperative itself. For example, even though a member meeting is held to solve problems, but because someone has the power, it will definitely cause others to feel reluctant to express their ideas, even though the idea may be better than someone who has given the capital. Factors in development of producer cooperative. The factors include A. Capital. Capital is used to build assets, purchase raw materials, recruit labor, and so on to carry out production activities. Capital can come from within the members of the cooperative or from outside the members of the cooperative. And the second, labor. Manpower with the number and quality standard in accordance with the needs of a production will certainly make the cooperative smooth and able to develop in the future. And the third, marketing or marketing of production output. Marketing of production output product must be managed by the right people so that the production can be sold to get the expected profit as income for financing subsequent production activities. And last, technology. With the development of technology from time to time, it will be able to help cooperatives to produce more effectively and efficiently and be able to create and produce goods that are more modern and high-tech. Cooperative marketing management. Cooperative as marketing institution. Marketing institutions are institutions that carry out marketing activities, distribute goods from producer and consumer, and have organizational relationship. Producer cooperative are cooperative whose members consist of producers, especially small producers. In this case, the cooperative can function as a purchasing coordinator, namely buying raw material for their needs together as well as the needs of production equipment and the material needed by its members. And at the same time, customers, then the provisions of services to its member must be truly satisfactory. That is about the material. And for the next material will be delivered by Dela Fionika. For Dela, time is yours.
Oke, Anissa, terima kasih. The next material will be delivered by me. Weakness of cooperative marketing. In general, sales for the company is the key to success going forward. This also applies to cooperatives, especially those engaged in trading or producing certain types of goods. Next. Marketing efficiency. Marketing activities are always endeavor to meet consumer preferences. According to Saleh Safranji, to achieve marketing efficiency, two main things must be considered, namely, first, strengthening member loyalty in terms of buying and selling goods needed by members through cooperatives. Second, strengthening member participation in capital accumulation, income, and initiatives to improve product, services, price, and cost. Next. Cooperative marketing function. The marketing function carried by the cooperative includes the function of buying, selling, and promotion. It's the implementation the implementation of the story function is correct, it will have a strong impact on the benefits and satisfaction generated by the cooperative for its members, including non-members. The direct benefits that members have can be tangible or reflected in production prices, services, market information. The next material will be delivered by Anissa Nurhidayah.
One, sales function. This function is mostly carried out by producer cooperative, where the members are producers who produce similar goods and they can sell them individually to the market. The benefit of cooperative in the sales function, A, can help the fate of small farmers, small craftsmen, and fishermen who work. One way is to collect or accommodate their production, if necessary, to store it first or process it, then sell it in the good condition on the market at a more reasonable price. B. Save costs. In helping the developed sales, cooperatives are required to have professional marketing personnel so that they are able to find breakthrough in making sales, contacting the government, and contacting large company as father or cooperation partner. Next. 2. Purchase function. This function is mostly carried out by producer cooperative in order to buy raw material where craftsmen or small entrepreneur often do it individually and in not too large quantities. Cooperatives are very beneficial for members if they can coordinate the purchase of very expensive goods needed. For example, raw material are produced or provided together. Okay, for the next material will be delivered by Rifda Dayat.
Okay, promotion and function. If the marketing is turned with competition, then effort from sellers are required to more intensively contact buyers or potential buyers. The current condition requires the cooperative market to start holding promotions. Promotion can be seen in terms of cost. It is expensive, but the benefit that will be obtained for successful sales are also very large. One of the keywords of promotion is to hold joint promotion. Next, cooperative marketing management during the COVID-19 pandemic. Not only micro, small, and medium enterprises are affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, cooperative business are also experiencing the same thing. However, this mutual cooperative business model does not want to just think and try to add to the pandemic and the new normal. The marketing strategy of production cooperative during a pandemic can be done by innovate cooperative innovation can also be implemented by developing technology, developing a database of MSME members of cooperative and strengthening the cooperative supervision system as an effort to support the digitalized procession. Kemenkop and UKM has also built a cooperative digital innovation and transformation portal or EDXCOP, which was launched on 19 November 2020 and has been accessed by around 582 cooperative unit registrations in Indonesia. Next. Okay. Thank you for all of the speakers. Okay, everyone, that is about the material from our group. And before we close our presentation, maybe from you all want to give us some question. You can unmute or send in room chat room. Thank you.
Idenya
Ya silakan bagi yang mau tanya.
apa yang harus dilakukan koperasi produksi agar dapat tetap berkembang di masa pandemi seperti sekarang?
Thank you for your question. And for another person, maybe want to give question, and we will to answer in class. Please come.
Masuk ya. To group 1, don't forget to answer the question in chat room ya. Itu.
Jadi tidak perlu jelaskan, Bu.
Enggak, saudara tetap melihat, ini kan ada pertanyaan di chat room. Silahkan dijawab juga. Jadi kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan di chat room, silahkan juga dijawab. Kemudian kalau ada yang hand raise juga raise hand juga tetap dijawab seperti itu.
Itu ya. Okay, here I would like to answer the question from Al-Gila. The question is, what are the problems faced by cooperative management in managing and utilizing human resources? The human resources in question are cooperative management, as we often encounter cooperative administrators. Usually, they are community leaders, so that it can be said that they have concurrent conditions like this, plus a lack of focus on the management of the cooperative itself. In addition to concurrent position, the cooperative administrators are usually elderly, so their capacity is limited, and they don't understand development. It's necessary to provide guidance and on cooperatives to the younger generation through education so that they can participate in cooperatives. Participation is an important factor in supporting the development of cooperatives. Participation will increase a sense of responsibility so that they can work efficiently and effectively. That is both the answer, Aldila. It's clear or not?
Yes, thank you for your question, your answer.
Okay, for the next question from Fitri will be answered by Anissa Nurhidayah. For Anissa, I'm sure.
Oke. Jadi pertanyaan dari Mbak Fitri, apa yang harus dilakukan koperasi produksi agar tetap bertahan di masa pandemi? One, innovation. Cooperative innovation can also be implemented by developing technology, developing a database of MSME members of cooperative, and strengthening the cooperative supervision system. As an effort to support the digitization process, Kementerian Koperasi and UMKM has also built a cooperative digital innovation and transformation portal, which was launched on 19 November 2020 and has been accessed by around 582 cooperative units registered in Indonesia. 2. Increase creativity. We can increase our creativity and adjust it according to what is currently in demand by society. Example, now people are like boba drinks, and we can remake the boba into snack or cakes like that. Bagaimana, Mbak Fitri? Apa udah jelas atau?
Sudah Mbak Nisa, kasih ya.
Oke, sama-sama.
Okay, thank you Anissa for the answer and Fitri for the question. And for the next question is from Mbak Nursyadiyah Yusnina Rulita. Pertanyaannya adalah, bagaimana fungsi promosi koperasi di masa pandemi seperti ini? Jelaskan bagaimana agar sistem pemasaran koperasi tetap stabil. The question will be answered by Rifda Dayana. For Rifda, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. The promotion function during the pandemic is by using digital media. Digital media is one of the alternatives that is considered very helpful in improving marketing in the mindset of the COVID-19. Considers that Indonesia is currently in the 4.0 revolution era. Of course, people are no strength to technology or social media. For example, it is certain that we often watch YouTube. Through this YouTube, we can place advertisement regarding cooperative. In addition, the government has created a digital platform, namely EDXCOP, to encourage cooperative actors to enter the digital economic system, to encourage their business based on new liputan6detik.com. This portal will later become a forum for cooperative actors to exchange information, knowing, and assess stories in carrying out business activity. Strong cooperatives so that theory can be duplicated or developed by other cooperatives that are still in the development process. By utilizing digital technology, it can encourage the expansion of marketing access so that cooperative product will be more known by the public. Bagaimana Mbak Nur Syadiah? Bisa dipahami?
Terima kasih Mbak Rifda untuk jawabannya.
Oke.
Okay, thank you, Rifda and Gita. And for the last question is from Aura. The question is, one of the problems faced by production cooperative is limited capital. How to solve this problem other than by merging with companies in the same field? The question from Aura will be answered by Mela. For Mela, time is yours.
Hi, Melania Fitri Utami. Permission to answer question from Aura. The answer is the solution to overcome the limited capital of cooperative is to use loan capital. Loans from members include qualified prospective member. Loans from other cooperative and or their members are based on a cooperation agreement between cooperative. Loans for bank and other financial institutions are made based on the provision of the prevailing laws and regulation. Loans from non-members made not through public offerings, and also the insurance of bonds and other debt securities is carried or based on the provision of the applicable laws and regulation. Bagaimana Mbak Aura?
Okay, thank you for the answer, Mela.
Oke, sama-sama.
Okay, thank you for the question from you all, and because in here no one question again, I would like to close my presentation, and before it, I would like to read the conclusion from our presentation. The conclusion is cooperatives are part of the economic structure. This means that in their activities, cooperatives take a part in achieving a prosperous economic life, good for people who are members of the association itself and for the surrounding community. In the context of effort to advance the position of the people who have limited economic capacity, the government of Indonesia pays attention to the growth and development of cooperative associations. One of the cooperative that has developed is a production cooperative. But production cooperative also have problems, namely cooperatives that are barely interested, human resources, competitors, limited capital, lack of professional staff, and stinting limited belief. That is about our presentation. Thank you for your best attention in our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the next presentation to group 2 ya. Please, for you group 2, time is yours.
Apakah sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, here we will present our presentation to you. This presentation could help you understand about financial cooperative and human resource management. Please let us introduce ourselves. I'm Syafa Ayu Kinanti. This is Fitri Nur Arifah, Indah Melia Setianawati, Rista Putri Hairunisa, and this is Intan Juwanti. Okay, for the first session, the delivery of the material will be delivered by my friends. I invite Rista Putri to deliver the material.
Okay, thank you, Syafa. Thank you, Syafa.
Okay.
Introduction. Cooperative is business entity in the form of a legal entity whose members consist of from individuals or cooperative legal entities whose activities are based on the principle of people's economy based on the principle of kinship to achieve the goal of prosperity member. Cooperative is a form of business with ideal vision, mission, and goals. So it is very noble if this cooperative can develop rapidly as well as private business or state-owned enterprises. Resources are everything that is an important asset in the cooperative to achieve its goals. Resources owned by cooperative can be categorized into four types of resources, such as financial, physical, human, and technological capability. Financial resources are one of the important elements in forming a cooperative company that is advanced and continues to grow because it relates to shares which are the main capital in building a cooperative company and developing and continuing the company. Physical resources are resources related to the physical support for the establishment of a company such as its equipment. Human resources are a central and important sector in order to achieve goals in a company because with the skill of the worker and the quality of human resources can move the company properly and correctly. The next material will be delivered by Fitri. For Fitri, times is yours.
Okay, next the basic principle of savings and loan cooperative. 1. Membership open and voluntary. 2. This cooperative is managed independently and democratically. 3. The highest power lies in the meeting of members. 4. Cooperative profit from remaining operation result atau SHU is given to members fairly according to the agreement. The function of saving and loans cooperative. 1. The role and function of deposits. 2. Role and function loans. Next, saving and loans cooperative have capital consisting 1. Principal savings. 2. Mandatory savings. 3. Voluntary savings. 4. Reserve funds. 5. Capital. And 6. Grants or donation. The next material delivered by Mbak Indah.
Okay, thanks. Conclusion: in today's modern society, management is increasingly important. Human modern technology, which has increased it is intelligence and technology knowledge, has placed rational effectiveness and efficiency as high moral value. Therefore, improving the quality of human resource is often considered and the main factor or crucial factor of the company and medium-sized enterprise in an effort to win the market competition, which increasing pilot with competition. Like with cooperative, if you want to compete fairly with companies, then investment to improve the quality of human resource is the time to get the main attention in order to balance the capability of large and medium company. Cooperative human research must compete in the field knowledge or entrepreneurship, managerial skill, and technical skill. Suggestion service for member is one thing that cannot be ignored. The cooperative, on the one hand, the activity and management of cooperative are diverse. Some are active, some are less active, and some are inactive. Managers must be able to maximize the energy exists in the context of providing service to member. Management and supervisor are an inseparable unit. Therefore, it can be interpreted that the fault of the management is also the fault of the supervisor. For the next, I will return it to Shafa.
Okay, the next question and answer session. For friends who want to ask to send their question by including the name and group.
Jika ada pertanyaan, bisa disampaikan melalui room chat atau on mic ya.
Okay, for question from Aldila will be answered by Ristam.
Okay, I will be answer the question for Aldila. Because the strength of cooperative is in the hand of its member, awareness of the discipline and fanatics on of members is very important in order to encourage understanding of cooperative and the cooperative ethos that needs to be instilled in each member so that their motivation can be increased together to meet their economic needs and desires. For Mbak Aldila, apakah masih bingung? Apakah sudah jelas ataukah masih bingung?
For question from Anissa Nur will
Okay, I will answer from Mbak Anissa Nur. The role of human resource is recognized as very decisive for the realization of goals, but to lead the human element is very difficult and complex. Human resource basic being capable and skill are no less important than their willingness and sincerity to learn effectively and efficiently. Ability and skill are meaningless if they are not followed by work moral and employee discipline in realizing goals. Bagaimana Mbak Anissa Nur? Apakah sudah jelas ataukah masih bingung?
Oke, udah jelas. Makasih, Indah.
Oke, Mbak Anissa Nur.
Saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Mbak Rifda Dayana. Tapi pakai bahasa Indonesia ya, Rifda. Tantangan yang dihadapi oleh operasi itu semakin sedikit. Operasi itu kan berdasarkan pada anggota. Kalau anggotanya banyak, itu berpotensi kuat berkontribusi di perekonomian Indonesia. Jadi mungkin menurut saya tantangannya terletak di berkurangnya jumlah anggota koperasi keuangan. Apa masih ada yang ditanyakan?
Thank you, Mbak Fitri.
Sama-sama. I am Fitri Nur Arifah, will be answered for Mbak Rima. The question, what does voluntary saving means? Voluntary savings, whose amount and time are not specific. Itu maksudnya kayak dana yang terkumpul, itu tidak ada tenggang waktunya gitu loh Mbak Rima. Bagaimana Rima?
Karena pertanyaan sudah terjawab, our discussion ends today. I hope what we have said can be useful. The end, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for group 1 and group 2 or in your presentation about the management of production and marketing for group 1, and then management of financial and human resources in cooperative for group 2. And I will some of comment about your paper and your presentation for this season, and the first for group 1 dulu ya. Jadi for group 1, I think your presentation is good. Ini semuanya sudah all of your member participate in presentation and answer all of the question that yang diajukan ya, yang diajukan oleh semua teman-temannya itu. Kemudian komen yang kedua about the answer on and the question from your friend about the management of production and management of marketing. Nah, silahkan nanti beberapa pertanyaan yang sudah disampaikan terkait dengan topik yang saudara ambil itu silahkan ditambahkan di your paper. Jadi silahkan ditambahkan di makalahnya, berarti kemungkinan ada revisi ya, karena masukan-masukan ataupun pertanyaan, kemudian the comment from you about the question from your friend, it is necessary to complete your paper itu. Jadi untuk melengkapi your paper, it is necessary ya. Ini penting banget sehingga nanti paper saudara itu akan menyeluruh, akan lebih bagus lagi gitu. Nah itu kemudian komen yang ketiga ini adalah berkaitan dengan the obstacle and the solution. Jadi kan in management production and management marketing itu there are some of trouble ya, some of obstacle about the manage in cooperative. So how the cooperative give the solution. Jadi bagaimana koperasi itu memberikan solusi-solusi untuk mengatasi permasalahan tersebut. Itu yang penting. Jadi silahkan nanti bisa dirinci lebih lanjut lagi. Yang pertama itu adalah mengenai hambatannya atau permasalahan yang sekiranya ada di dalam pengembangan koperasi, terutama di bagian manajemen produksinya ya. Jadi nanti di masing-masing manajemen produksi or manajemen marketing itu silakan nanti you add your paper and then writing about your analysis in management production or management marketing itu. Jadi silakan nanti ditambahkan, dirinci, dianalisis kira-kira permasalahannya itu apa saja. And then if there are obstacle or there are problem, so you should give the solution. Itu. Jadi saudara harus memberikan solution about the problem or about the obstacle. Itu. Silakan nanti solusi yang sekiranya efektif, efisien untuk pengembangan koperasi, terutama di manajemen produksi dan pemasaran itu seperti apa. Itu ya, jadi 3 komen itu yang perlu saudara tambahkan di revisi paper kelompok 1. Gitu. Itu untuk komen dari saya, mungkin akan diklarifikasi terlebih dahulu atau tidak? Silahkan dari kelompok 1. Mungkin akan diklarifikasi.
Bu, izin bertanya.
Oke, silahkan.
Itu analisisnya itu ditaruh di pembahasan apa di lampirannya, Bu?
Oke, the question and the answer from discussion session put in discussion. Jadi put in pembahasan ya. Jadi dimasukkan di dalam pembahasan. Itu. Masukkan di dalam pembahasan, bukan di lampiran baru, tetapi ditambahkan di dalam pembahasan. Jadi put in discussion chapter. And then comment from me itu juga put in discussion chapter. Gitu. Jadi semuanya nanti dimasukkan di dalam bab pembahasan. Seperti itu, sudah?
Oke, Ma'am. Thank you.
Oke. Silakan kalau mau diklarifikasi oleh yang lain, ada atau tidak sebelum saya lanjutkan? Tidak ada ya? Oke, I will continue comment for group 2. Same with the group 1. All of the question from your friend, please write in your paper, in discussion chapter. Itu silakan semuanya dimasukkan di chatroom, itu kan juga masih ada, silakan nanti bisa di copy paste all of your question in chatroom and then you give answer in your paper. Itu and then the second comment, kalau tadi di pertanyaan itu juga sudah ada dari mana ya? Oke, from Rida Dayana about the obstacle the financial cooperative, but in your paper it is not only about management financial, but you discuss also about human resources management. So you should keep analyze about the obstacle and then the solution about management financial and management human resources. Jadi not only for financial cooperative, but you should add the key analysis about the human resources management. Itu ya. Jadi semuanya memang yang dibahas itu bukan cuma finansial saja. Jadi bukan manajemen keuangan, tetapi juga human resources. So you should analyze more detail about the two topic itu. Jadi saudara juga harus menjelaskan kira-kira the obstacle and then the solution more effective and efficient to solve the problem itu ya di masing-masing bidang manajemen tersebut. Itu dari saya, silahkan ada pertanyaan atau tidak? From the answer from ini ya, presenter, I think your clarification about the question is clearly, jadi sudah cukup jelas yang ditanyakan, and then your answer it is clearly. Jawaban saudara juga cukup jelas karena tadi tidak ada yang diperdebatkan lagi. Saya kira cukup sekian dari saya. Tetapi before I close the class, if any question about your revision paper, silakan. Nanti jika saudara sudah merevisi papernya, segera dikirimkan ke grup WA, sama seperti if you send the paper before your presentation. Seperti itu ya. Silahkan maksimal minggu depan itu sudah direvisi dan sudah dikirimkan ke grup WA biar saya bisa segera untuk memasukkan nilai tugasnya. Oke, itu saja dari saya. Ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada ya? Oke, kalau tidak ada, please prepare for the group 3 and group 4 for next week ya. Gitu. Silakan nanti dipersiapkan untuk presentation next week. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you next week. Oh ya, don't forget to validate the mulang ya. Itu sudah saya akhiri, bisa segera to validate. Okay, I think time is up. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ma'am.
Okay.